You can literally earn by doing few simple tasks. Isn't that great? Yes, obviously it's great. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about Google Task Me. That is in a beta stage till now, and Google is going to release it to all the users, but the date is not confirmed yet. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Google Task Me. It is an app just like the Google Opinions reward, but in this you can cash out the money, whereas in the Opinions reward it was only Google Play credits. Here you can cash out with third party, means banks or any e-wallet. You will get that option, but now Google TaskMate is in a beta stage testing, so it hasn't rolled out to each and everyone. It is now only referral code based. Yes, if you have the referral code, you will get access to the beta testing of Google TaskMate, but if you don't have, you won't get. So what is Google TaskMate basically, and why does Google reward you with real money for doing a task or just a simple task? It is quite surprising to many people out there who doesn't know that Google pays you if you help them to make their apps, assistant, maps or any other services better with your help. So in Google TaskMate, basically you have to do what you do in the map and become a local guide. Like if they give you a task to get a photo of certain restaurant, you have to go there. They will give you the time taken to reach the restaurant. You have to go there, click the picture and give it for reviewing. If they approve it, then you will get the designated reward for that. For a specific task, Google will designate the money before you do the task, because so that you can know what task you are going to do and how much you are going to earn by doing that task. If it's too hard to do and you get very little, then it doesn't have a meaning with it. But if it's a huge amount, but huge means not very huge, but yes, certain amount, and it will be given in local currencies, not in foreign currency, and you can cash out. That is the biggest thing. Another example of a task is that you have to read some text to improve the Google Assistant, or you have to translate a certain sentence into another language for Google Translate, or you have to pinpoint some locations on Google Maps to make the maps better. So they are basically using you for making their services better. But here they aren't doing it for free, rather they are gifting you with real cash money. And it will roll out in India soon, but now in India it's at beta testing. So if you get the referral code, you can join the beta testing. But if you don't have it, you can't. But you can download and keep the app for now, so that when they roll out the actual version, you can register it as quickly as possible. Because in Opinions reward also, everyone didn't get access to the Opinions reward app. Very few people got access. So in Google TaskMate also, all won't get access, because if all gets access, then it doesn't happen. The model doesn't work. So keep your app downloaded from Google Play Store. You don't have to download any APK. You have to just download the app from Google Play Store and keep it in your phone, so that you can use it as soon as Google rolls out the app for everyone. So signing off for now. Bye.